Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your phone number could not be verified. Too many attempts have been made to verify this number. Try again later. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your Cash App, here I will show you how can you fix it. So as for that, simply go back to your home screen and now you have to open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and again scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here search for your Cash App. Here it is, and from here you have to simply offload your Cash App for one time, and after this you have to simply open your App Store and now download the latest version of Cash App from here. So I search here for Cash App and now download the latest version of Cash App in your device and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then open any browser in your device and search here for Cash App support or help. So as after this, tap on Cash App support, and now from here you can get any kind of help from the Cash App authorities. So as from here scroll it below, and from here tap on contact support, and from here scroll it below, and from here you can simply call on this number to get any kind of help regarding this problem. So I simply call on this number and you will be able to fix this problem on your device very easily. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.